Hello friends, this is CA Aniruddha Phene. So I have been receiving a lot of queries from taxpayers about their confusion about the old tax regime and the new tax regime. So a lot of taxpayers seem to be confused, or they are finding it quite complicated to understand as in which tax regime they should opt for. So I thought of making this video to simplify the process. So what you guys can do is you can just go to Google, like I have opened the page here. Just search for, you can search for income tax portal. My net is a bit slow. Sorry for the inconvenience. So you can click on the income tax portal. The website will open. I'll show you it's quite simple. So once the site is opened, you can see this on the page. So you can see the quick links on the left side. This is the income tax portal, by the way. Okay. So it looks like this for those who are or who are visiting the website for the first time or seeing the website for the first time. So you can do it by yourself. It's not that difficult. So check the quick links on the left side. So you can scroll down, and if you scroll down, you can see income tax calculator. So click on that. You can click on the income tax calculator. So I already clicked. Now it will open. The page is loading. You can see the net is quite slow. Okay. The page is loading now. So we have clicked on the income tax calculator from the quick links of the income tax portal, which you can access through Google. So here it is saying income and tax calculator. So as you can see on the page, they have given assessment here. This is the current assessment here. So you don't have to change that. So we are calculating tax for the financial year 23-24. And for that, the assessment year, the income tax department will assess your income in 24-25. That is the current year. So you don't have to go into that. Tax category, taxpayer category, let's take individual. You can take HUF, firm, LLP, domestic company, whatever you want. So let's take individual. Then residential status, you can take resident, non-resident, whatever you want. So let's take resident, depending upon your status. Then age, below 60, above 60, above 80. So let's take below 60. Now you can put your annual income here. So let's say I am putting 10 lakhs. Okay. And let's say I don't have any deductions. So deductions are zero. Deductions basically are eligible when you can avail when basically you have invested in kind of tax saving schemes, or maybe you have taken a life insurance premium or a medical claim, or you are repaying a housing loan, or maybe you have done donations. So only then you can claim deduction. So assuming I have not done anything, I have zero deductions. My income is 10 lakhs, zero deductions. And just see on the right side, automatically my tax summary has been calculated for total income of 10 lakhs, deduction zero. You can see tax, see this, tax as per the old tax regime coming to 1,17,000, tax as per new tax regime coming to 60 to 400. I don't have to do anything, and you also don't have to do anything. Just put the number, automatically the tax is calculated. So obviously from here, they have also given, see, you save rupees 54,600 if you opt for new tax regime. So the income tax portal itself is telling you to go for the new tax regime. It is that simple. Let's say I take the income to be 20 lakhs. Still, and no deductions. Still, you can see on the right side, the amount has changed. Tax as per old tax regime is 4,29,000. Tax as per new tax regime is 3,10,000. Now I'm saving 1,17,000. I am not saying the new tax regime is better. It entirely depends on your income and the deductions you are claiming. Suppose my income is 20 lakhs and now I am claiming deductions of, let's say, 4 lakhs, example. Now you can see old tax regime tax is less. So obviously, if you're taking deductions, old tax regime might be better for you, because in the new tax regime, most of the deductions are not available. Correct? So, I'll take 10 lakhs again. And this time I am taking deduction of, let's say, 2 lakhs on 10 lakhs in. Now see, still new tax regime is better. On the right side, you can see still new tax regime is better. So it is not like that if you're taking deductions, then old tax regime is better. It is entirely dependent on the level of income, the level of deduction. Everything is dependent on that, because obviously tax is calculated based on various slab rates which are progressive, but we'll not get into that. It is a very simple process for any person. Any layman can also just access the income tax portal, go to quick links, select the income tax calculator. This page will open. See, don't have to change anything here. If most of you are individuals, then nothing has to be changed. Only the age group might have to be changed. If you are a senior citizen, put your income, take put deductions if you're claiming any. Like if you have paid uh, paid for insurance policy, and whatever premium you have paid, you can take that as deduction. Mediclaim, donations, you can take deductions for that year, and see, automatic the answer is in front of you. You don't even have to consult anyone. Obviously, if you consult a chartered accountant, that would obviously help you to understand it much more. But just to understand which regime is better for you, you can access the portal and you can on your own check which regime is suitable for you. So I hope this video would be helpful for you and would help a lot of taxpayers to choose their regimes. And it is always better to consult a chartered accountant while filing return. But this is just for your knowledge purpose. This is Aniruddha Phene signing out. Take care.